Lens here. So guys, in this video I have this laptop, and the first thing is that we are getting an unusual display. One time the display will look very clean and pretty, and when I try use an external monitor or television via VGA port or HDMI, I am not getting any signal, right? So I am going to plug in the charger and I'm going to show you what exactly we are getting. I was thinking the problem is the data cable. But I was analyzing the cable to see if the data cable is the issue, but I'm not getting any movements from touching the data cable in different areas, right? So I'm going to turn on. Look at that. Sometimes it will come on like that, and then after it will just go out like that, just fade out. And no matter what we do, it won't readjust back to normal. It will just stay like this. But what we do know is that we are getting power in the screen, right? So I'm wondering if the issue is the video card, which is the onboard video card. I'm wondering if it's the video card or actually the data cable. If it is the data cable, we will actually be able to figure this out by touching the cable, right? I was touching the upper part of the cable there, and that noise just came from the laptop. So basically guys, if you look, we are unable to connect the laptop to the monitor and also television. So this is just weird, and I'm going to just take the entire computer apart and I'm going to see if I can rectify this problem. Sometimes the graphics card usually have thermal paste on it. At times it requires us to replace the thermal paste when it is dry. I'm going to take the bottom part of the laptop apart, and then we are going to just check the video card to see what condition it is in, if it is in need of thermal paste. So what we're going to do here, we are going to take off the back cover. I already removed this cover and also the battery there. So I'm going to remove all the screws that you can see right around. So guys, the laptop is in parts. As you can see here, we have keyboard, the mouse and the keyboard out, hard drive as well. So this is the board, this is the video card connector right here. So we just plugged in the charger, and if you look, the video cable straight should go in here. So I'm going to turn on, and as you can see here, we are looking to see how long the screen will remain like this. So what I actually did, I unplugged the cable and plugged it back, but it was very tight. I massaged the cable as well. So the hard drive is actually out. So I am going to put back in the hard drive, and I'm going to see if it will come on and if it will happen to work. I didn't remove the motherboard or anything as yet. I'm just checking the cable connection inside the board area here. So what I want to do, I want to connect back the hard drive. Yeah, the hard drive is connected there. We are going to plug back in the charger. We're going to turn on. I am only doing this video to confirm the issue here. As I stated, it can be the data cable, and also it can be the video card. So we're going to see how long this is gonna last. So I do believe you saw when the screen went white. So we're going to just touch the cable area, see if this is really the issue here. Also, let me unplug the connection. Connection is very tight. You're not supposed to do this while the device is on. So as you can see, we have an issue here. I just want to inform you that the data cable is the issue. We can actually see that we are not getting the data going to the screen. We are getting power, we're getting a white screen. And I actually did previous videos years ago on white screen issues. So our data cable is the issue here. If I unplug the cable, you're not really supposed to do this, guys, but let's just play with the cable. Let's just play with the cable. Wow, we're playing with the cable. The cable seems not to be the issue. We have a onboard problem. Well, when I touch here, we're getting that white. So I guess it's the connection. I guess it's the connection here. See that? This is our data cable. This is our white screen that we were getting. So it seems to be here that the problem is here. We need to change this. Let's see. We lose visual there. The problem seems to be on board. So definitely our data cable is defective. It is defective, and this our data cable is defective. We are not getting any visual whatsoever. So what we're going to do, because our screen is good, what we're going to do, see that? Now you're talking. So guys, to conclude this video, we have a bad data cable and it seems to be a disconnection right here. Sadly to say, depending on the pressure that we apply, we are seeing visual and off and on. So I'm going to replace this, so I will definitely have to order the data cable. So this is how you can diagnose your white screen with your laptop. I hope that this was helpful. Do like, share and subscribe.